Congratulations on your new Sony TV. We're here to show you how to safely unbox and install it properly, so you can get started enjoying it right away. Please watch this video guide all the way through and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully, so you can avoid common mistakes like pinching the screen and accidentally damaging your TV while unpacking it. Note your TV may not be the exact model shown here in this video, but the general guidelines are the same for most models. For any TVs larger than 32 inches, we always recommend that 2 people work together to unpack it. To start, use a box cutter or a sharp knife to cut the tape on the top of the box. Doing so will reveal detailed instructions for unboxing, assembling the stand, and handling cable management. Remove and set aside the top cushioning material and any other accessible packaging, as well as other accessories you come across like remote controls, batteries, or cables. Do not pick up the TV from the top of the box. Doing so could severely damage the screen. Instead, follow these next steps. First, check if your TV has clips on the lower part of the front and back. If it does, release all 4 and pull away from the box. Next, hold the top part of the box by each end and lift directly up over the top of the TV, which will stay upright because of the packaging base. Remove and set aside any additional foam cushions. Now it's time to assemble the support stand. Note that instructions may vary per model, as various Sony TVs feature different types of stands. Follow the directions in the box and use only the provided hardware. For this particular Sony TV, the support stand attaches this way. 2 people are needed for this next step, with 1 person at each end. Release the tabs on the cardboard below and fold it down to expose the foam packaging. Slide out the packaging from each end. Then fold the plastic wrapping down and under. Carefully prop up 1 corner of the TV, holding from the bottom while installing the stand. Repeat for the other side. Now it's time to lift the TV out of the packaging. Lift from the bottom, gripping carefully by the edges and being careful not to squeeze the screen, and place it upright on the surface you're going to use. Be sure not to pinch the screen between your thumb and fingers. Pinching the screen could cause the glass to crack. If you're going to mount your TV on a wall, be sure to use a kit that matches your TV size and weight and anchor it securely into the wall surface. If you have any questions about the included manufacturer instructions, please contact Sony online at sony.ca. And if you decide you'd like to get some expert help with unboxing, setting up, mounting, or calibrating your new TV, our Geek Squad agents are at your service. Give us a call or visit a store near you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you enjoy your new TV.